In this video, we listed the 5 best 4K drone on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Lenovo V88 Drone. The Lenovo V88 Drone is a cutting-edge aerial device designed for professional-grade photography and videography. Equipped with 8K resolution cameras, it ensures crystal-clear images and videos, capturing every detail with remarkable clarity. The drone features a dual-camera setup, allowing users to capture different perspectives simultaneously, enhancing creativity and versatility in aerial photography. One of its standout features is the 5G connectivity, enabling real-time transmission of high-definition footage to compatible devices, ensuring that users can preview and monitor their shots with minimal latency. Additionally, the integration of GPS technology enhances flight stability and facilitates precise navigation, allowing users to focus on capturing stunning visuals without worrying about manual control. Safety is paramount with the Lenovo V88 Drone, as it incorporates advanced obstacle avoidance technology, minimizing the risk of collisions during flight. This feature not only protects the drone from damage but also ensures the safety of people and property in its vicinity. Number 2. Xiaomi V168 Drone. The Xiaomi V168 Drone is a cutting-edge aerial device designed for professional-grade aerial photography and videography. Equipped with advanced features such as 8K resolution, 5G connectivity, and GPS capabilities, this drone offers high-definition imaging and stable flight performance. One notable feature of the Xiaomi V168 Drone is its dual-camera system, which enables users to capture stunning visuals from multiple perspectives. This allows for more creative and dynamic shots, enhancing the overall quality of aerial photography and videography projects. Moreover, the drone is equipped with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring safe and smooth flights even in challenging environments. This feature helps prevent collisions with obstacles such as trees, buildings, or other drones, minimizing the risk of damage to the device and ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Number 3. L200 PRO MAX Drone. The L200 PRO MAX Drone is a cutting-edge aerial device designed for professional use, boasting advanced features to elevate your drone flying experience. With a 4K camera and a 2-axis gimbal, this drone ensures high-quality aerial footage and stable shots, essential for professional videography and photography projects. Its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system enhances safety during flight, allowing pilots to navigate complex environments with confidence. Equipped with brushless motors, the L200 PRO MAX Drone delivers powerful performance and efficient flight dynamics, ensuring smooth operation and precise control. GPS functionality provides accurate positioning and facilitates intelligent flight modes for added convenience and versatility. Whether for filmmaking, surveying, or recreational flying, the L200 PRO MAX Drone offers a comprehensive solution for aerial enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 4. Lenovo P11 Pro GPS Drone. The Lenovo P11 Pro GPS Drone represents a cutting-edge addition to the world of aerial photography and videography. Sporting a professional-grade 8K HD camera, it offers unparalleled clarity and detail in capturing footage from the skies. Equipped with GPS functionality, this drone ensures precise positioning and navigation, allowing users to effortlessly plot flight paths and maintain stable hovering. One of its standout features is the 4-way intelligent obstacle avoidance system, which enhances safety and maneuverability by automatically detecting and circumventing obstacles in its flight path. This feature is particularly beneficial for both novice and experienced drone pilots, as it helps prevent accidents and collisions during flights. The drone's foldable design adds to its portability, making it convenient to transport and store when not in use. Additionally, with an impressive RC distance of 5,000 meters, users can explore expansive landscapes and capture breathtaking aerial shots from considerable distances. Number 5. Lenovo V186 Pro Drone. The Lenovo V186 Pro Drone is an advanced aerial photography tool designed for professional use. Equipped with brushless motors, it offers enhanced stability and efficiency during flight, ensuring smooth and precise maneuvers. One of its standout features is its dual HD camera system, capable of capturing stunning 8K resolution footage, providing crisp and detailed aerial imagery. With built-in GPS functionality, the drone offers accurate positioning and navigation capabilities, making it suitable for various applications, including mapping, surveying, and inspection tasks. Additionally, its FPV, first-person view, capability allows pilots to experience real-time flight immersion through compatible goggles or monitors. The drone is also equipped with obstacle avoidance technology, enhancing safety during flight by detecting and avoiding obstacles in its path. Overall, the Lenovo V186 Pro drone is a professional-grade quadrotor UAV that combines advanced features and performance to meet the demands of aerial photography and videography professionals.